Dear students, as we are all aware of COVID-19, the most of the students are staying at home, but they have their aim regarding career. Keeping that point of view, I am going to start the teaching of subject organic chemistry, as most of the students feel the subject so hard like maths. But you know the basics of the subjects, the subject is very interesting. Let's start the chapter classification, nomenclature, isomerism of organic compounds. In chemistry, the organic compounds are uh, any chemical compounds that containing carbon hydrogen bonds. Examples: carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, proteins, etc. Let us see the classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds have been classified on the basis of carbon skeleton, means structure, or functional groups. So first, classification on the basis of the structure. Acyclic compounds. These contain open chains of carbon atoms. A carbon chain can be straight or branch. Example: N-butane, but-2-ene. Formerly it is called as the 2-butane. These are the open chain because these compounds are in straight way. Okay, student. The examples of the branch chain compounds are methyl propane, that is isobutane, neopentane, isobutylene. These are the branch chain because these are not in a straight way. Second type of the organic compound, cyclic compounds. Such cyclic compounds contain one or more closed chains or rings of atoms. These can be classified as homocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds contain rings that are made up of only one kind of atoms, like carbon atoms. Such compounds are alicyclic. Examples of the alicyclic compounds are cyclopropane, okay, then cyclopentane. So these are the examples of the alicyclic compounds. Next, see monocyclic compounds. Monocyclic compound means these compounds contain only one type of ring. Okay, so example: benzene, toluene. These are also called as the aromatic compounds because they have the taste and odor. Then bicyclic compound, example is naphthalene, because there are the two rings of the compound. And tricyclic compounds means, example, anthracene. There are the three rings. So this is the anthracene example. Okay, student. Then heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are the compounds which contain one or more hetero atoms. Examples: pyridine, pyrrole, furan. In pyridine, this is the N as a heteroatom. In furan, oxygen as a heteroatom. Okay, oxygen as a heteroatom. Classification on the basis of the functional group. In first we see the classification on the basis of the structure, and next is the classification on the basis of the functional group. A functional group is an atom or group of atoms in a molecule that gives the molecule its characteristic chemical properties. Let us see the functional groups and class in a tabular form. Olenes or alkenes. Alkenes. This is the structure of the functional group of alkene. Okay. Acid halide. This is the structure of the functional group of acid halide. Acetylene or alkynes, this is the structure, and amides, this is the structure of amide. Okay. Next class is alkyl halides. Functional group of alkyl halide, you know, fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Alcohols, functional group of the alcohol is OH. Okay, this is the OH. And acid halide, acid anhydride, this is the structure of acid anhydride. Esters, this is the structure of ester. Ethers, this is the structure of ether. Cyanide or nitriles, this is the structure of nitrile. Aldehyde, this is the structure of aldehyde. Isocyanide, this is the structure of isocyanide. Ketones, this is the structure of ketone. Nitro groups, structure of nitro group. Carboxylic acid, amines, etc. Now we will see the nomenclature of organic compounds in next video. Okay student, thank you.